Your roadmap to learning programming in 2024. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I say code please. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're wondering how to learn programming in 2024, this is your video. Step with us into the world of programming, your gateway to infinite possibilities in the realm of technology and beyond. Starting with the basics is always essential. Choose a beginner-friendly language like Python or JavaScript, renowned for their simplicity and versatility. Next, immerse yourself completely. Utilize online resources, join coding communities, participate in coding challenges. The more you code, the faster you'll learn. Learning theory is vital, but practice is paramount. Work on projects, small or large. This will strengthen your problem-solving skills, a must for every programmer. As you advance, explore other languages. C++, Java, or perhaps Rust. Diversification broadens your scope, making you a versatile programmer. Stay updated with the latest trends. Machine learning, AI, blockchain, programming is constantly evolving. Equip yourself with these cutting-edge skills. Finally, remember, persistence is key in programming. Don't be discouraged by hurdles. Keep coding, keep learning, keep growing. Welcome to the vibrant world of programming. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.